Hi guys, it's Mimi. I am doing a quick video today to show you what my craft room now looks like. This is a quick overview of it all. I moved my craft room up from the basement, which I did a a tour of last year. So if you want to see that, I'll have the link down below. But this is where I'm going to be crafting now for the summer because I just wanted to move everything out of the basement because it's too cold down there. I want to be able to see the sun and when I can have the windows open. Unfortunately, it's like 50 degrees here in New York in the middle of June. Well, not the middle, the beginning of June is 50 degrees in New York, which sucks. So we can't have the windows open, but eventually, hopefully, we'll be able to have windows open and I'll be able to enjoy the summer breeze and everything. So I'm really excited because I really like how it's set up. I know it's not perfect and I'll never tell you it is, but I really like it. I think it's going to work out very well. I just did this today, so I haven't really crafted in it yet, but I will right after I make this video. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how everything is. It's all pretty much organized the same way as it used to be. It's just in a different space. So this is a bedroom upstairs. Like there's my hallway. That's where I sleep in there. So this is one of the smallest bedroom in our house. So that's why there's a bed in here because it's kind of like the guest room. It's not where anybody else sleeps, but guests, and we don't have a lot of guests. So in this corner I have my drawers. My mom got these somewhere online years ago for hair accessories, but I know that you can get them in Michael's, Hobby Lobby, any craft store, or even on Amazon. So this has all of my stickers and then washi tape. That's all that's in there. And I have them all sorted out by different categories. And then on top, I have earrings I made, which I'll show you how to make in a tutorial soon. And then I have just markers, pens, and pencils in here. Right here is just some empty buckets. And I quickly panned over the closet because we don't have any, it's all my mom's clothes and things like that. So there's nothing in there related to crafting. And then here's the bed. There's nothing crafting related underneath besides gift wrap. That's all that's in there. And also in the closet is some mailing stuff. So that'll be nice to be up where all the mailing stuff is so that when I make something, I can quickly just wrap it up and send it out. Underneath my big table here, this is a table from Walmart. It was only like 30 bucks and it's really nice and it folds down if I need to move it or whatever. But underneath I have one of these bins with scrap paper in it, and then the one behind it is going to be for recycling so that scraps that are too small, I can just put them in there and then recycle them when I'm ready. And then behind my chair, which this chair my sister got off of Amazon, if you're wondering. It's got wheels and it's nice and it's comfy. Underneath here I have, sorry about the sunlight, let's see. Okay, underneath here I have stuff to make little gift basket things out of those berry baskets, and then embellishment boxes. And then I have paint stuff, and that's just all random like school supply type items. And then I guess we'll go up on top of the table. I have my tripod so I can film videos. I have this little dish here that right now has pin backs in it so I could fix some pins for my Nana, and the thing to my fuse tool. I got my little, I don't know what you call this, grid mat, I don't know. But I want to get a bigger one so that it takes up more space and it's not so tiny. And then this is what I'm going to be making next. I have this mat here. Well, I have this piece of I don't know, it's kind of just like plastic rubbery stuff. I have that here so that if I need to, I could put my glue gun out this way because it does drip. I can put it out over here and not worry about it getting stuck to the table. But in case I leave it over here, I have this bigger rubber mat just down here. And I have my embossing tool, and then, or my heat gun, and then my fuse tool. And then I have a cup of scissors and other random things that I might need. And then there's outside. So pretty to look out there. Here I have all of my paper pads, and then there's some like loose 6x6 papers in here. But that's all of that. It's untouched. There's no scraps in there or anything. It's just paper pads. I have some of my embellishments here in these bigger buckets, and then glue. That tape needs to go in there, but I have them all in these shoe buckets just lined up there so that they're easy to grab. I don't really have anywhere else to put them. I used to keep them on shelves, but I don't have enough shelves in here, so I'm just putting them there, and it works for me. And then all of these pink bins here are my mom's. that's her stuff in there. I'm not going to touch it. I don't need the extra room, so I'm just leaving it how it is. And then in this set of 6 cubes is all my stuff. I have more of those bins with stamps and other embellishments in there. And then this is how I keep my paper embellishments. I'll show you guys really quick what I mean here. Just like this stuff that can go and be layered up or just as is on, you know, layouts and things like that. And then I also have some extra like foam tape, glue, scissors, rubber bands, things like that. And these are birch boxes. I don't get that anymore, but it was really nice to have the boxes sent to me. And then in this I have all of my embossing glitters and stamp inks. And then I have my punches and scissors in here, extra scissors. And then I have more embellishment, shoe bins, whatever you want to call them, stacked up here. And my sewing machine, I'm going to get that out in just a minute so that I can make those, they call it the paper streamer, like, ruffle things. I want to do that, so I'm going to try and do that. That's why I brought my sewing machine up here. And then on top here, this is just a piece of wood that my sister made a desk out of, but I took it, because she's not here anymore, I took it and put it on top of 2 of these cube organizers. And on top, I have my Stamp Perfect, my envelope maker, and then this weird board that I got for $5 from Michael's. I've got my die cut machine, my dies, this really cute little thing that my Aunt Nancy made. It's got like little like recipe card pieces, size pieces of paper that I can die cut things out of, which I think is so cute. And then look at the tops. I just think that's the cutest thing ever. And then I got my dies and embossing folders. And then a TV, which has a Roku, which I'm really excited because I can put YouTube videos up on here, or I can watch Netflix, and that'll be really nice to sit and craft in here. And I'm really excited. I'm very happy with how this is. I know it's not perfect, and it's definitely not like, this is my mom's old decorations in here, and it's definitely not 100% what I would want, but I'm very happy with it and I'm really excited, and I think it's going to be a good summer for crafting, so I'm very excited to share everything with you guys. And if you're not already, please subscribe so you don't miss a video, and I will see you guys in the next one.